Alrighty. So, in today's video, what are we doing, Sam Squamch?
I'm showing a little butt crack.
Nice.
Hopefully not. And we are clearing out the garage because the E86 and Quentin and DJ are here.
Yep. So, we are going to be painting More Skids AE86 in this video and probably the next one. Right now, they're trying to get the car backed up the driveway, which is going to be a task in itself. So, why don't you guys join us? So we're going to be welding up some of these holes that are from the old over fenders on the 8.6. And so first things first, I got to change out the wire in the MIG welder, and then we're going to get going on that and see how much we can get done, because we do got a little bit of a time crunch here. The holes
tacked out.
Those holes
from the over fenders.
Yeah, don't watch our video, just go watch their video.
Yeah, I'll just film your camera actually.
But yeah, so we circle them and sand them and then put stuff on it, make it flat.
Shit.
So it might look like I'm completely destroying this thing, but basically I just want places for the fiberglass to stick. And so just make it gnarly and smash it full of fiberglass, and you sand it back down to the shape you want it, because
Vlog session. What are those subscribers doing? What are you doing, laying in bed?
If you zoom in, you can see my subscribers.
Yeah.
If I zoom in, I can see your subscribers.
Whoa.
So yeah, dude, these guys are busting out work, man, grinding. We only got a couple days to get this 8.6 painted, so we're busting ass. So Quentin finished grinding most of these puppies down, got them real nice and smooth. Even Dominic was like, damn, he did a real good job. So that must have, if Dominic's approved it, must be good. And then Jonas just slapped some boogers up on here. And then, you know.
Okay. Yeah, what we learned last night is that Schwab loves boogers.
Yeah, dude, boogers are where it's at. I mean, you can't get enough of them.
send
can.
Schwab your boogers.
Yeah, dude, you got Bondo boogers? Send them here.
Yeah, that's.
It doesn't
So
hurt
safety
plastic
tip, guys.
or paper, but
If
it
you're
melts in
grinding
glass.
near your glass, just cover it up with a blanket so that catches on fire, or paper so that catches on fire. But just so the sparks don't hit your glass and mess your glass up, just as long as whatever you're using catches on fire, it's fine.
Got all these little dudes sanded down now. We're gonna throw some Bondo over the top of them and then flatten them out, and I think we'll probably block this whole quarter panel window section and see how it comes out, and then after that we'll be able to move throughout the rest of the car. This whole thing's pretty damn straight, so it shouldn't take us too long once we get these little dings and dents fixed up to get this car pretty much ready to throw some primer on it. I think the big time thing will be taping everything off carefully, getting it so that you know, all of our lines are nice and that we get our primer in every crack and crevice. So we got some of this Bondo sanded down with the 80 grit, and I just wrapped it around the block just to get like the big bits off. And then I've got some 220. No, I don't. But I'm gonna get some 220 and I'm gonna put it on here, and then we're gonna give it the good old whirly dirly, and see how that goes.
So Quinn is using, what are these called? Do you know what they're called, DJ?
Rib nuts.
Rib nuts. Well, these fancy rib nuts with threads in them, and they're really sick.
Yeah.
For body kit. Nut certs, body kit wise. It's like putting rib nuts in, but you know, you just use that thing and drill your hole and you shove it in there. But I don't know, it's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, unbolt your body kit instead of having to struggle and
Drill out rivets and shit.
yeah. We're doing stuff and things. We might get paint on it tonight. We might not. Who knows? Hopefully we will.
That'd be cool.
Yeah, that'd be cool. All right, so me and DJ are we're blocking things so paint doesn't get where it doesn't need to be.
Yeah, I was like, hey trunk, do you need paint? And the trunk was like, no, I don't need paint. So we're like, oh, well, better
Yeah.
block it off. So we made these beautiful little sheets of paper that should fit. I need that tape from you too.
Yeah, right in my hand.
Schwab, you ever use one of these?
No, dude.
Uh-oh. Just leave that.
Oh, actually, yeah, yeah.
Really?
But not like that.
Oh.
What?
What do you mean like that?
What do you mean?
A condom,
like
dude.
that?
Condom's pretty much the same thing, man. Just fucking
That's kind of true.
choking you out. Hell no.
Hell no.
Gonna make it twice as hard.
Twice as hard, but twice as soft.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. We're doing some painting over here, some abstract art.
Yeah.
This is actually gonna look pretty sick with the blue.
What is that?
So this is a glazing putty. So this is like a thinner
Blueberry
kind of-
yogurt.
Yeah, it's like a blueberry yogurt instead of a strawberry yogurt. So it's like thinner, finer, like Bondo. We're putting glazing putty on the A6, and I don't know where to put it.
Oh, yeah.
So Sam Squinch got the sweatshop going over in the back corner of the shop, and
Let's not pretend I broke it.
Working for them, not the other way around.
we're marking out some spots for the last bit of glazing putty, and then we're gonna get this bad boy all painted up.
A little bit of light. I feel like the course is set. Like everything big is done. It's pretty fucking cool.
Once Quentin and DJ get these pieces all nice, we're gonna be looking great. All right, so Sam Squinch is sanding down the last bits of
The very last bit
of glazing putty. So we're gonna.
Pretty much the very last bit of sanding.
Yeah, this is the last bit of work that we need to do before we get the garage cleared out and get this thing ready. We're gonna be priming this thing tomorrow morning.
Yeah.
So we can do everything in one day. So we're all pretty excited. This is gonna come out super sick. This car's insanely straight, and now that we have all the holes from the old over fenders covered up, it's gonna look super good. You psyched, man?
So hype.
Fuck yeah.
What a day. Everybody just went in the house. but the Corolla's in good shape. Man, it's really straight, way straighter than I thought. Like maybe the straightest car we've ever prepped before. I mean, I guess there were some problems, but like generally the roof was super clean, the fenders were super clean, it was great. It was still a lot of work. 4 guys in here for like 12 hours. Everybody's kicking ass. I'm just about to spray some self-etching primer on here, and then we're gonna leave it for the night and let the heater kind of warm things up a little bit because it's pretty cold in here. And we'll hit it again in the morning.
DJ, what are you doing over here? Nice. Fuck, dude, it's not stopping recording, man. I'm just gonna record forever. Yeah, dude. I don't know how we're gonna have to use this content.